In this video, I'll guide you through how to resolve Google Drive not showing on File Explorer. If your Google Drive folder has suddenly disappeared or never showed up in the first place, don't worry. We'll go through a clear step-by-step process to get it back, starting with the simplest fixes and moving towards slightly more involved ones. Stay with me and follow along on your own computer as we go. First, let's start with restarting Google Drive for desktop. Many display glitches are caused by the app just getting stuck in the background. Look down at your system tray, usually at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. You should see the Google Drive icon there. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click the small arrow to expand hidden icons. Once you find the Google Drive icon, right-click it and look for the option to quit or exit. Confirm that you want to close it. After it closes, open Google Drive for desktop again from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Wait a few moments to let it load and then check File Explorer to see if Google Drive has reappeared. Next, we'll verify your settings inside Google Drive for desktop. Click the Google Drive icon in your system tray again. In the small window that appears, look for the settings or gear icon and click it, then choose Preferences. This will open the main settings panel for Google Drive. Here, you want to make sure everything is configured correctly so that Drive can show up in File Explorer. Within Preferences, first confirm that your account is signed in. You should see your Google account listed there. If you see any prompts asking you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google credentials. If you're signed out, Google Drive won't be able to create or display your Drive folder on your computer. After signing in, give it a moment to sync, then check File Explorer again. While you're still in Preferences, look for the section that controls how your files are stored on your computer. You should see options like Stream Files or Mirror Files. Make sure that either Stream Files or Mirror Files is enabled. Streaming means your files stay in the cloud and are downloaded on demand, while mirroring keeps copies of files on your computer. Either option will still create the Google Drive location in File Explorer. If neither option seems selected, choose the one that best fits your needs, apply the changes, and wait a bit for Google Drive to update. Then open File Explorer to see if the Drive icon or Drive letter has appeared. If Google Drive still doesn't show up, the next step is to restart your computer. A full restart can refresh system processes, clear temporary conflicts, and help Windows redetect virtual drives like Google Drive. Save any work you have open, restart the computer, and after logging back in, give Google Drive for desktop a minute or two to start up, then check File Explorer once more. Finally, if the issue persists after all of that, it's time to reinstall Google Drive for desktop. Uninstall the current Google Drive application from your computer using your system's apps or program settings. Then download the latest version of Google Drive for desktop from the official Google website and install it. Once installed, sign in, choose either Stream Files or Mirror Files, and allow it to finish the initial setup. When that's done, open File Explorer again. Your Google Drive location should now be visible. By carefully working through these steps, you can usually restore Google Drive's integration with File Explorer and get back to accessing your files quickly and reliably.